Hi there, Sophia here. Thank you for stopping by. Today I'm going to share with you hair products that I use every time I style my hair and that I like to alternate some of the shampoos. I have 3 favorites I'm going to share with you today and show you a styling tool that I can't live without and a beautiful hair oil that I just discovered and I love it so much. I do my highlights about every 6 months and I do my hair root touch-up every month. But I live in Florida and my hair sometimes tends to get a little brassy with the sunshine, eternal sunshine in this state. So when I see it's getting a little brassy, the highlights, I use this BlondeBrilliance. I buy this at Sally's and it leaves my hair really beautifully conditioned, but most importantly, it takes that awful kind of brassy yellowish look out of it. Other shampoo that I use daily or every other day is Amica ColorLock shampoo. This one I use today. I love how it leaves my hair very soft, very conditioned, and feeling full of volume. It never gives me a feeling that my hair's dried out or frizzy. It's a beautiful, beautiful shampoo, and it is a colored lock, so it helps you retain the color. I'm halfway through this and I already have another one waiting. Is this Detox Shampoo by Way. This is so wonderful. It really invigorates your scalp, especially if you use this little handy tool. This just goes right into your scalp. I rub it all over really, really well. It feels so fantastic, the head massage. And coupled with this, it does a beautiful job of breaking up any hair products, any buildup. And because I live in this area of Florida, we have hard water. So that does a number on your hair. And this really does help strip out all those minerals and the hard water deposits that make the hair look dull and brings back the shine. And the other product I wanted to tell you about is this conditioner also by Amica. This is called The Cure Intense Bond Repair Mask. You leave it in 5 to 10 minutes after you shampoo and squeeze out all the moisture from your hair. Now, oftentimes I'm a little impatient. I'll only leave it in for about 2 or 3 minutes while I'm shaving my legs or exfoliating, and I rinse it out, and it's equally beautifully conditioned. This also does not leave your hair oily feeling. It doesn't weigh it down. It just brings back the luster and shine, and it gives it like a smoothing. Bond Repair, I think it really is a great title for it because any little frizzies or split ends that you might have, especially if your hair is as long as mine or longer, gets split easily. We're using hot curlers, we're using a blow dryer, we're using a lot of different things on our hair. And this is very good for it. The other one that I adore is also by Amica. It's called the Water Sign Hair Oil. So beautiful. I put it in today. I just used 1 pump. That's all you need because it really goes a long way. You don't want to weigh down your hair either. This doesn't do it, but if you put too much, any oil will do that. I pump it in my hand. I just rub it really well and between my fingertips as well, because that's when I start working it into my hair. I get into the ends and I push it into all the ends, and then hot rollers, and it just comes out shiny and bouncy, and whatever there that might have frizzed out, because Florida is so humid. Even in the winter we have humidity, and it's just does a number on your hair, especially if you happen to have any hair color or highlights, because bleach naturally makes a hair stressed and prone to frizziness. And the last thing I'm going to show you is my tried and true wonderful brush. It is a folding easing brush, and it folds beautifully to go into your purse, or it extends out. I use this all the time when I'm curling my hair. I use it when I want to just get some lift here. I tease in here, I spray the roots, and it stays until the next morning or I wash my hair again. I get a ton of volume in there with just this tiny little brush. So I do recommend this. I'll link it down below as well. Everyone I've told about this brush loves it because it does what it's supposed to do. Believe me, it works a lot better than using a comb to back comb or tease your hair. I know a lot of us over a certain age, we don't like flat hair. That looks beautiful on teenage girls and young girls. But at my age, I don't want anything bringing my face down. I want some lift. And I feel that when I get lift at my crown, everything looks better. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Share with friends and family. If you're not subscribed, Why not? I'm going to have a lot more hair videos, fashion, and all the things I love coming up. So please join in. I hope you'll come back for the rest of my videos this month, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye now.